Kama. Me no ba be di nkomo. We smeti e bi na ma sore so. Me ko ba bi, mo we de we amesi afa me hu ya. Emre ni adaje ni ho no mo. Let me use this opportunity to greet my mama, my everything, my godmother, my everything. The CEO of Lawson TV, Nana Yakomia. She's watching me from US, Germany. I greet Papa Lawson. I greet my mom, Mama Brefi. Na meka tu obi ase afishiapa. I think say King Solomon, if he say me celebrity, my birthday we mean to me my live program. This video is last video of the year 2021. Listen to me. Sa video is video a cut toward the year 2021. You know, because I cut about 78 hours near enter the year 2022. And then last video of the year 2021. Mema obi biala fishiapa. The American say we are doing yankopon only say obi anu nyo obi akese. Ma wonye hia bremu mu amone misu ye, mu amone meka ye, mu amone me ba ye. Awurade yankopon hira obi a. Me say mabu bodi ana na keka nsem wa ha han makoyi mistake. And let me use this opportunity to greet my only one man, my brother, my father, my everything. The unpredictable among Crado. The great man, I salute you. God bless 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 you. The unpredictable among Crado. And then an American among Crado who was some, but later American who was some. He's wise man. He's great man. He's sensible man. He's eloquent man. He's untouchable. The unpredictable among Crado. Evangelist Patricia Sedua, I think so won't measure that by life, and I mean come somewhere. I greet you, Mr. Odro Cranton. Bearman when young for or back of a four. Yami shall no Busiana and Penonyamakashi. I salute you all. I was here from a month or two, and I'm common. Namin said the entire now way, my piano pay. They were happy because of me and Kasami Papa, Dr. Kufudam Pare. Father, I greet you. I salute you. A woman more small, sorry, my punya small. I would have shall be bring you my power ye. O person or me whom fast well what police you mem. O my young musa chia, but in a muye. O me young say achia yet any be ye. Dr. Ekufudam Pare. O pencil and our rules of Penu Subempa, the car wa fan metri. O pencil and a Jesus and who fed O man whom, yes, sir. And yes, I shall come. O pencil now chi Shatawali. O pencil now chi America. O pencil and now chi a fierce was nigga man 24 hours. O pencil why you near my baby. Baba mean to winka. The same can't card your better. O pencil and one may use a police duma and a yentina dem and our office. O pencil what can't the whole nation says, oh, your police. Now my office na ya odede ya ne kone kope banga adwuma na kwaye. Papa de na menta. I have nothing to say. But the only thing I can say and I can give you to you is Papa, Ewurade Nyankopon wo nhira wo. Enya me nwanwa se very soon na se enche. Ube vote as a president na Ghana for bejiwa tomato abade amount. We are prophecy. We are kukuamu asem. Me nko obebre. Ami shall papa. Dr. Kufudam Pare. And metia Mr. Kwasifori. Mr. Kwasifori. Ewurade Nyankopon wo nhira wo. Baby Dr. Kufudam Pare NBI I think so kan ho onam obi. Nyankopon wo nhira wo bebre. Mamintia Prophet Jimano Badekobi. Papa, I greet you. I salute you. Thank you for your baby. And I'm Papa to make our lunch. Papa de me call lunch was na man to me I'm free Nigeria ma no I'm celebrate birthday you know. But the only thing I can do is me do call lunch. Sorry ni call lunch. And me name papa call lunch. In fact, we have papa me call me call hoda. Nim ho me call hoda. Daddy, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Nemo masama me kan daddy say tiwa environment to tankru em. Oba onu se me kan okre. No wadi matum se me ye kure keni. Yelling common among common some young Kazam Papa Kufudam Palo, the Baba Tuja. Even when he can't make his comment way to go before, and then 4 days over Casa Semo. Of rare a deep 1 year software or mining 77 young crime before we can't be. No Martinas. At Cassaye, Kukwem, ye meeting. My name is Club on Take Crowd. Or the two of them said the year 2021. 31st. Oye nyaminipa, oye osofwo, oye odifwo. Don't try. Se obeshan komwa. Ebradem fans mouth. That won't mean providing evidence. And that won't mean evidence. Ebasa obechiw. Okay, and on chain. Ebasa asofwo ni try yes se omo be meet papa no and ye be convince no. And one thing I be about to be me free Dr. Kufudam Pale ho. Onye ni pa betu ye use just a seconds, a minute, hours, a day, a week, a month, a year, a conventional. Because or no, not in there, no. A computer minder, ya sign the admin for a young magnet, attached. Steam, magnet, attached. Tidrafa could say. Yeah. Idrafa ku say oya ku hwie yi Dr. Kufudam Pale so wan ye bi odina na odina oya sofo o try so be hyan komo animu a omfa ho nchew ya te Ghana na prophet Dr. Isaac Usubempa me cheers of penny be bi o team na wo hwe me man afishia pan so one ne nsori manyina mani nsano na me boni dia ka asam keke ankoyi na man kasa yi aya na o ya cheme etwini nso a onye ne ho aduro obi ne ka abrabo mu nkomo ye ho aduro Prophet Dr. Isaac Usubempa ko share nkomfa national TV mam ho sabi papa yi ogidama tusire ono sabi woda wada di wotwe ya se owuo mefare mfare nko yenso ne nkwati ya 31st what night me that day ne kraba nkwa sori e sori ye nkom se bebrebe Prophet Dr. Isaac Usubempa national TV mam ya mompa ya mano a obewu ana yen yanum nkramofo bi tie atua nom se how sabi why umuade na wunsuo nyankopon a sabi papa yi wonfale no wunsuo no kafabuo ne ene die man se nyame yi bibia kire wo mpa all right kabra ne ho na beka because ono papa no onim nkramo ana onim Christians onim se ye Ghana fo bia ba akwase ne nyina ye yade ba akọ so why so be discuss ne issue wo public omo se na sori won nyama bebrebe also for Usubempa and Yama no ntimi nya sorry because papa you negate soldiers for be go na sorry compound police for go or transport this say we are very careful wa hwe ye wo ya sorry ana ye ni anu kremofo ato ahye ne so and we ye fast okope na ntwini na ntia wabu atata di nwan ka ho gu kiamu and ye say convoy yi to aso we kodu fadama Kovra national TV mam the PM omufuru PM no omne ne ba ho ne betina ase ene envelope so wa hyem nie da na ntwie no so ode kopa national TV mam chew asam mfa na asam nko asam susu de na asam koye okopa chew wawie anu achi enkom se bebre na kwaso wo Ghana ha no mamenka asam to obi a wotie no hwe me Dr. Kufudam Pale, IGP, on time Christianity, on time prophecy, on time prophecy, but one thing they said, ye must offer ye what Ghana had do that first what night, ye beshem kom, Mokola market ye beshe, Central market, Kumasi ye beshe, Takradi market ye beshe, Cape Coast Market be say no mo ankasa akobo pa di ja kwa akotum. Yes. On one kasa akobo pa no di ja kwa akotum. No abetra FM so abetra the social media platform. O kasa and I'm na me ye and I'm na me ye na me ye. Mama kasa mo tire obi a wotie no wo hwe me. The year 2020, which is last year, time one na me expose asofo dan pale no tietie no hwe nia echo. No tietie no hwe nia echo. E ho na dan pale decide who say Abrantia hu ehie to na oye no. Onim dia oye. Na dia tie ni say me need to me I met to dia command. Ama asofo bi a o expose wo mo dia kwa kwache wo mo. Because that time no on IGP. Listen to me carefully. So that time no on IGP. Na otnasia watching ya baby who said there be. And ya baby come on na the tennis me who e minister na me tigina for et me ka sam no a minister me back into no ya fa ne tra. Ya ntigana ha. Ana Abrantia ya friend Andy beka asano wane ne sofu pani ko Vienna City ko fa shawfo be kumu amo ya tegana hasabe sabe wo sofu timi wo kuro na sum adipa no hye na sum bread hye na sum na wayem obi se woni ya tegana ha osofu timi tinase no aman na sore ba bu nkotodwe no wa ohuru na nimu fi ni hwinimu fi no wa de agu ne so. Ghana pastors, prophets, afasa besabo obeying with pastor nkwa. Slaves. Junior. Fatishu ni bibrem. Fatishu ni na brem. Listen. Asofo ni edifo afani pastor nkwa wo man USA mu. Ansole masa nkwa. Ana ye useless wo mo sa. Ni nyina dam pa no wo hwe wu. Dan parwe Christian oso nyame pa me mpesa me body Godfather din wa ha dan parne Godfather ye can even Africa where you of pa the whole Africa okitadin even North Africa if we are singing okitadin but what nas no hwe and ye ma bia sabe asofo bi ya ne sofo nyesa. Away. Ne sofumpo enyesa. Ghana edifo ni asofo ni bi di krono ni adwuma sese aden. Say o minus shenke o man no. But ni panka oni wa so okoka so okonfo se ko. Me si me petition ni fa so ni ba fabra petition ni bre. Ghana edifo ni asofo ni bi di adwuma sese. Say o man no. Krono ene ya se afre bibi sabe abaifo ntunku ede ebe peja ni nyina fabra mabo aso wate. And someone me ba be kanon. I think that time no mo de ma menhwe. Wow. Go to pray free yako. Time no mo de ma yaso. Come on. So mean to be in fire send you was me fire. Me free or liar, me free life I am dey tell me because time na dey mam no. I got some few minutes. Now so. Yeah. Cha me ma me kasa nya tenten. Don't take food down pale drop in adwene too on the comment too on me who say na yegezi ababonten Reverend Obofo kasa Trabosumo kasa Prophet Joshua Ejay or kasa hwa wo ye sofo na wo te Ghana hanasa wo so be so aka China friend. I rest my case. So wo ye sofo na wo so te Ghana ha so be so aka you just come out and prophesy and let's see who is who. Munyan kwasi asem na mudi wo Ghana hanom na Ghana nya sofo dia. Ghana enya asofo de ya. Ghana ye Christosom man doesn't mean say ya asofo de ya. Yo Christosom and ye wa asofo djuma, asofo som. Mu de na mu ye ni ye djuma enye nyamsom. Na mu nyame ba na frɛ mo. Ya te Ghana had a year 2019 na asofo betina TV so say Ghana nyame mfrɛ obi a. Agree with that pastor. Onimdie no worker. Look at what software usuba mpani software yet say football home come a software Ghana dim kwasi asam dim samfon soria ya software and ya software cha software we nom criminals a software we nom bulu a software we nom akromfo software we nom amuna tofwa kaflikemu according to what software we sabi ya soria ya senya medjuma mama nyamia bre. Ghana is down. Ghana is sinking because of fake pastors, bogus pastors, criminal pastors. I'm sorry, I am coming back the year 2022. And no bagawaya. Nobody can bring me down. Yes. I was on phone yesterday with my papa, Prophet Dr. Isaac Opokubotuo. He's calm, humble. Now, Mr. Papa, come say, and some ID be a kind. A bit yawa na wasu mwa hibo. Me say, una otigana hana wasi ya flow of usubempa. You just try to prophesy. Una wasi ya flow na you try, just come out and prophesy. Una wasi ya flow pamwa, you just come out and prophesy. Una wasi ya flow igi prophet, you just come out and prophesy. And let's see who is who. Munyankwa siyasam na doso. Munyai ya moya na mugunya miyeni muwase. Mama Yesu abre. Mama Yesu anunu honso obewuji yankwa. Because of Ghana, sabi. Because of Ghana 20 and tokwesi suro. Mena ukasai. Ti aslen tumi ma ho. Nyamia nuni ho se oyi asofo na ofre nko a oyi Ghana asofo bi ka ho because Ghana asofo no omoye criminals. Yes. Ghana asofo ni ya kromfo ya den. Hwe COVID-19 time ye hu asofo ye frɛ wurade ni ye mfrɛ wurade. Omo ye show off. Like great massa. Me see the year 2022 because of IGP. I feel that me be Jimmy Moore. Because of IGP, I feel that me be Jimmy Kwasi asem no hu edi. Me say Kapsina mi hu ne no one target Prophet Joshua Ejay. Chairman, me drop a Google platform to say, who still the investigation is still going on. Chairman, stop what you are doing. You must will be almost starting some who defend Kumasi of one Batan position. You must be almost starting some Kasama Kumasi of one Batan position. Prophetic Joshua again, stop what you are doing. Stop that. You are not man of God than anybody. Chairman, shut up. And enemy will so that trust and as of will be a very phone for on Cosun when you're on Cosun when you're trust them what Macron Cosso, that the way you tell. Trust not one Macron Cosso. Also, what the Ghana ton calendar, toa by phone, ton Sasabon Samku, ton Apple, ton, just a lot of years, Moja, ton way, Nasabi said. Government just will make your tax and what work can pass some criminal pastors a crumb for Professor Hindu Abusiafo Nicodemus Abusiafo a can carry Bible now see Nimu Mimi source of Wobia Ghana how. Some kwasi asem na mudi wo Ghana ha ya ka mo sema yanka. Mo kro no na maba asafo man dia ni na mo kwato taka Saddam. Last week I catch sorry basa onko peduma nya. Uja na ko ba ko peduma ye. Ghana nkoso Ghana mpedira nyina ye. Sabe mpedi asa. Akromfo asofo obi nti. Kumasafo asofo no. Asantefo asofo no. Aya pe yanim ni ye dress ni ye bia. Omo pia ni ehu omo. Misu ya sofu atrai na sha nkwam ni ya prophet ejei. Na ejegezi sawo ya wosi IDP nya onyankopon. Untie no. Na time no so ni yete wa unyame no mfiri suro me defend wo. Sa unyame na wo sum na wo kare ho asem time no so a ma angel mutuni omra no me defend wo. Ma angel Gabriel omra no me defend wo. Ma menka asem ntira mo muntie me yie pa. Muntie me. IDP me no kasai were ye investigators your police for police atade more than 2,500 at 31st watch night or mobile console in sorry mu. Now we software try so be do camera no off on social media and prophesy on bad door. You will see bobo nkwasi yafo. Me say, IGP were you investigators more than 2,500. Yes. Prophet Dr. Ibadan, you are my father, and you know, don't try. If you try, you will spend 5 days in police custody. After 5 days, IGP will sentence you 5 years in prison. Don't try. Men you watching it. In Yanko Poya, me call sorry 31st watch night. Me call sorry be 3 and I say 4. Me choose you sorry I me call. Yes. What do you say? Dum data no catch on say mon switch a human call of maybe shelco. Na shelco no. Da be say ID to what one jam. Samun kwasi ya samun mo kro no ni mu Jimmy na mo te Ghana ha. Jimmy na mu Jimmy ye yan kama sem. Ghana han yama Christosom sabi Christosom nipa ya hu se Christosom sa finim. Christosom ye ken kwa. Christosom aya sabi bola goose. Ghana hanko. This one ya software no do one aya ko sifo ya kromfo amonatofo e do amai ni musika sa. Ya Solomon sa. Last minute was saying Solomon in Peduma. Very soon IGP will buy the Ghana ha. Apart from Sunday, from Monday, listen to me. January, as I make a new market on the wall by January ending. Listen, by January ending, ebe shocking the whole nation. Emra IGP deba. From Monday to Friday, no church, no prayers. Only Sunday, go to your church and take your prophecy. Messina, if you are a man, try. Prophet Osman, if you are a man, try. Or Pablo that way you don't try. Nianshe. I don't know Mohanya Mesomasa. Yeah. Time one. The year 2022 means Syria be any hobby. The time now so. Okay, I think it's a 5 minutes. On IGP, why Nadia, on agenda. People don't know. Only who are a man in your said the year 2024 IGP bet me I say overstanding president. He is second J.J. Rawlings in Ghana. Trust me. It may say, what do you so far try? There was a prophet Joshua again. Asino. As prophet Joshua again, Asino. What do you want to be fit now? Bet me about three baby was on no. Me nam wani mu na ba me fie. Yes, me nam wani mu na bura me fie. Me ka nam wani mu na bura me fie. Me fa wani mu na bura me fie. Joshua again, if you are a man, try and prophesy. So I am also you talk as you are on. You talk say Ghana. You talk say Ghana odia. You talk say Unsuoshi. I mean guys something wrong. May say if you are a man, come out and prophesy. Yes. May say Prophet Joshua again. Prophet Ousubempa, if you are a man, you just try and let's see. And what is IGP want to know? Ocean come me say IGP when you one the first person. Yeah, cause a moment to correction now very clear what to when pay not try and check. Oh yes. Try and check. Mudi nyame sum yes way mumma yes nda hene no wahome onya so no wode ada mote Ghana na nkwasiya samseya kwasiya samseya me say me hu asofo my reactions Joshua J also want to ase na J.J. is one tiasie. Me so your software now they also sing Ghana mra try na hwe. Asafu Joshua J say there I meeting bia kwasu osunsun mu ne na sefo. Chairman, ye kwa sorry you. Ye jinya medipa, ye jin komshedi. But enya sam komsha na 31st. Na mitimi yitira ma otro meboa aya fa camera ne fa video nyankopon kwasi asem so yitira na otro ye meboa take your phone to record nyankopon and bring it out and let's see say nyankopon wa de kita nyankopon nyame okita camera nyame okita phone nyame okita laptop nyankopon okita bibia Digital Yankopon as see yes no modern Ghana. So you just bring the evidence. Don't come out and say Mokala market is going to ban and Kumasi Central market is going to ban and Ghana president is going to face accident and Ghana is going to sink and Masa, you just bring evidence. Yet Ghana no supposed to be passion and come compacho or didn't you? Last minute, we will say again, correct? Yes. The year 2022, Messiah software. O the upper try, na sham kwasi ankom. Shankom na say dey tire kokum nipa no. Shankom na dey follow ne kodi nipa na wu. Da be hu say dan pali wu krum. Ma your minor brache. Ma do a minor brache. Ma say your minor che. Mo dia tron come cha tron na dan come che. At say your minor che. Mo ma sum diamra. Shankom no wa wo dem ho. Upiem ho hye. Say urade catch us on pani ba be wu a. Ko ne ko buti appointment ne ko hia ne ma na kwankyere. Nkwa siafo. Se Yankopon waka kire wo se otumfo oba be wu a ko ne ko hia ne ko break ma no agimifuo Senyankopon Wakati was a vice president is going to die. You just meet him and tell him, not social media. Fools. Mama nyamia bresa, Mercy Christo sum trase. I'm a net. Nyankopon winning left and right. Nanka na ID piada Roman wa this amra we yaba nkasa be sabe mprabiasa. Ya betra Ghana magana ebutu the year 2022. Kwamche baako betimi ada no oman no. Ya ba be hu asofo a ya ba be hyenkom. Asofo na one thing is edudo na afras asante o. Dudo na afras asante mem. Asante fo asofo na dos. Wo da momia mobo. Momo boss of one, Momo. Montrotro, Mara, Santi Force of one, Montrotro. The one ya Santi, Nicocotre, Kumasa Santi, Subaya say, a more sorry, I say, I saw what from 4 readum. I am could see a personality and debilities. Maybe more about grow. I don't give a shit. Say Jimmy 4 readum, sorry, at the Ghana and Quasia, some year to a Ghana, or being commercial. Also for Sunday we boom sorry man sounds from February near to my mom in there. Also for Sunday from Monday to Friday. What change sorry me with them. So sorry. There be sabi where mommy by 4 where papa by 4 where sister by 4 and what creative confusions and we fear me no can say ko be fear say am no can say fear what no because also for say me mommy by 4 also for say me papa na hear me so suban fanko shewuri Pisa usubai. You see the year 2022 minim see ebe come. And some of us here go Ghana and some ebe go Ghana hano. No mercy. And no so for baako your friend Prophet Uche. It did deal attempt of Massa. Don't chat me again. If you try to send me any message with DM me, Massa, the way you go suffer in my hands. You can never forget it in your life. Don't chat me again. Don't call me again. The year 2022, I don't have any friend. Nobody. Utiemi amon kanchire no. Me say, on kanchire say me see the year 2022. Minister of Obi Adamfo, Minister of Obi Awayem Papa. Prophet Bedu Kubi nyame papa, Apostle God bless nyame papa, Odi fo amankwa nyame papa, me papa ne no kre. No matter how, meba ho, meniska, meba beche. Prophet Bedu Kubi, odi enya me meka, that's who. What te Ghana sorry a money perfume. Also for that na sabi TV so. Kenya mia some such like kromfo sorry a money perfume. Nia woton na wodine ho yafu na wodine ho de woni ba yakese sam na wo sorry a woti social media na wodine ho yase nkon MSN komo wadwa kwasiafo because da bia manya politicians woro na mo share PP nkom na mo share news nkom na ma ka mo trabom na ma yo food fry na mo disika ni funyam aya mo fon top mo fa bi nto chere stick eni mo kwati so fie no moa Junior right? Junior, you're fast. Yes. Mun fa bi mie nyumba man sori manager binya. To stand she wonder no. O mai ni moya den no man panin ko na ye. O mai ni moya den. Enya sabi mpradi asakwa das point ko na ye. We are crum for but this guy rough from mun fa bi mie they are fast. Katati first iba baby ebe mwasafo. Nyame si Yesu ne yesantalize Yesu. Ibo Yesu aseniyem. Ene Pharisee fo ti Yesu abana aseniyem. Magana asofo fo ti Yesu bona aseniyem. Why body be na Yesu Kristo di yem wo. Ewudifo asofo akromfo ne monatofo asofo akohwifo asofo enkwasiefo we no tigana ne yedini ye ho. So fu bia menimu no What that them base 2 weeks. Listing comes and I may have 31st or the now. No, the cap was some brother Becca. Damn pallet to puppet in the war trail. Would join. My Musa boy yesterday. Some good years when you was. Mama yesu nsiasi from mama yesu atena from onya pagya from pono apagya no awudifu asofo me say try and prophesy you go see I was asofo bia start ye meeting okokwa mu ti IGP kofo bi boy IGP wo because of IGP team kofo bia sedane president ebuki appointment. Yeah, what they say IGP at your president. IGP, Mamen Kasam Trail. IGP will be Ghana president before so be woo. You market my words. IGP will be Ghana president before so be woo. You market my words. Timwas of one master tia, mu woneti, Misimunjai. Adia ba ko na mdia respect COP Kofi watching nan ke ne time so ya IGP o nini ye kuma ne ene da mpare that's what is your appointment wan kasa what's it fa ko nim petawati ene ba bia da mpare be ko bia no Kofi watching di nachi eno ni ade e friend ani ado Ghana sofo na hu anya betra platform so na odi osofo bi atema na osofo bi afafon no afre na nakoso wayade na nakoso di natem minyi unu asofo na tem bring ne down now dey wo pega ya me betua wo ka na unu makone o ma Yesu atena fom o ma Yesu nsesi fom odade betua wo ka o be bre pansa na wawu udidi awo me da ya de boni be bo wansa na wawu because atem boni wo mutrim Name ya kasisi mu nyina ho eba sunsumu amedensi mu nyina me no baga wire nobody ya tegana na osafu osu be mpa ba do me be kase me na say let's see 2 months time ne yenhwe de oye okase anche no ba besia setting up sisa gans ko ba besia fie ne yeso atramra ya chi ne kokotu mu ko twa 5 days we fiase o sell records kwa ontia wurade enadifo na omti Ghana ye ntia wurade ne di enu ye didie aduane osofo wo be ko ne fia no papa tien we twa waka million leptin na bomu ode next cafe afra na ode vi afra dia petition na mix onu wie na fa na di mo be jana papa so nkwase asam nko a kwase ankom che nko a ntia wurade ne aduane asofo aduane asofo aduane bantia pesi asofo diegu asofo awhwe asofo pa be na fu esi nanim ase muna sabe ehwi alaba diegu ogu asofo hwe na fu esi nanim ontia wurade ne sori ankwase asam nko a ya di jimi atete ye junior pastors no ya sori azani ateni ye dimpere fu atem kasati ampere fu me this time around me udi ago me do atem and I know Mr. Jawu frame free cyber unit asina na wo yin bra me kwa waso case ma ko tete na wa ha the case ma ko tete on check kwa na mame Ontiago kwa na mame Tame ya numa the year 2022 yebe call it different bra yebe call boot for boot kwa na association we are for Ken association when he raised Kingdom association we are going to team up to fight against them Nemo me le nyiska kan obi asam nhye to kwa disika kwa kan obi asam hye urade ni betua oka mom ye expose asofo because omo gunya be animu ase won tadu asofo usu be mpana mo kan je asam so ye be ma nyame ya do 31st watch and 20 no hye nkom Unkanche na ye sem so ye be ma won try. O hye nkom a onko frɛ mutuni angel famra. Ajagoraja oso mpe kasa ono wan hye nkom onye sika du onye dobo moni o mesika. On de bambo ajeje nkofo sika no de akoto nantwie so de kobo afode ya manyame eno ye nche on hye nkom. Ajagoraja woni obi ani asem. Ajagoraja no obi ani asem no obi ani problem. Na minim set 31st watch night because of Usbem by Omis. Obeya so den akoye me na. Papa, ye be chiw jai. Prophet Bedukobi, me wo hu ahime, me na blim dia me catch me say. What sorry dem ho. Police for ma akoma train na be she fiata ya betna. Listen to me. I'll be there. Meba sorry. Papa tie me. Nyame kasa che wode fenipa ku komne ne nkasa. Not public. Tetina awurade kasa kwa be no fa so kasa. Tete awurade ni raso nfuma ni na kwa be no fa so ko deliver asama. Munya aduma no asam no hontene ko nnako. Mugu awurade ni mu ase asofo ni bi no. Asofo atimi tira Ghana. Konum nkwase awi ni nkwase alaka. One more you could drop up at Teneswa, one day would have been year to many a honour, pillar of Zion, year Juma, pillar of Mutuni, pillar of authentic, pillar of Masalati, pillar of Porsche Cayenne, pillar of Lincoln Navigator, pillar of Toyota Corolla, pillar of Benz, pillar of Mercedes Benz, pillar of so and so Benz. A crumple when you're no Ghana. The year 2022, I hear him when I'm touching a woman. It's a new office. White Kingdom, not Black Kingdom again. White Kingdom. We are going to face the year 2022. And if you're a man, if you're a pastor, try. Yeah, Jim Commission, you. Yes, yeah, you commission. I will be so about you. Me dana do na me shia challenges bia no dey say me do no pa my friends papa you hwe mo mame chakini ama we mame mami hu ni ama we oso hu ayi twam na me ba papa bo aguro sunsun no chakini ama na hu ayi amfa afa eno prophet Isaac Opoku botu ka se bitem oso hu ayi so do hu abo anyansafo wu nya asemo a anyansafo be bo ye be yiwu amfa hu mo dimi fu obi ya o do be kwa amani mu odo be konso hwemu meti na se bebre